Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and today is Thursday, not Tuesday, March 24th. A new report shows that Tesla is spending more in research and development per car than any other automaker by a wide margin. A new report from StockApps.com compared all the biggest automakers and found that Tesla spends $2,984 on research and development per car produced. That's about 3 times the industry average. Additionally, Tesla's entire R&D goes to improving technology for electric vehicles and not split with an internal combustion program. On the other hand, Tesla doesn't spend any money on advertising and rely entirely on organic growth and a little bit of marketing. The marketing costs also went down significantly last year after Tesla ended its owner referral program for vehicles. Electrek got a chance to try out the single-motor Polestar 2, a new version being delivered, as of right now, actually. It seems to have made quite the impression. Writer and reviewer Scooter Dahl says, quote, "Personally, the single motor isn't for me, but the Polestar as an automaker definitely is. After driving the Polestar 2, I'm even more impressed trying out the Polestar 3 SUV later this year. And I'm already flirting with the idea of getting one of my own." Stellantis and LG Energy announced that they will together build a new 45 gigawatt-hour battery cell factory in Windsor, Ontario. After being regarded as a laggard in the electrification of the auto industry, Stellantis is trying to accelerate their plans. They write, quote, "The joint venture company will invest over 5 billion Canadian, 4.1 billion US, to establish operations, which will include an all-new battery manufacturing plant in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. Plant construction activities are scheduled to begin later this year, with production operations planned to launch in the first quarter of 2024. Now, Stellantis didn't specify in what vehicles those batteries will wind up, but they did say that they will supply a significant portion of Stellantis' vehicle production requirements for North America. Chinese automaker NIO announced the first batch of the ET7 sedans that have officially rolled off the assembly line in Hefei, China. ET7 deliveries remain on schedule to arrive at the NIO reservation holders beginning March 28th. Of course, that's just in China. NIO continues to tout the 1,000-kilometer or 621 miles of cruising range for the vehicle, garnered from its 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and undoubtedly some generous testing cycle. Either way, the ET7 will be the first to arrive on NIO's NT 2.0 version, and German orders are supposed to be commencing later this year, ahead of deliveries in the fourth quarter. Whether or not the European countries will also see deliveries this year, that remains uncertain. EV freight technology company Einride has announced a new partnership with Maersk to provide its freight mobility platform to the Maersk fleet. This initial order for 300 e-trucks is actually the first step in a long-term partnership. Einride plans to deliver the connected electric trucks on order between 2023 and 25, while simultaneously helping to electrify the North American warehousing, distribution, and transportation infrastructure. Maersk will soon have access to both capacity and software as a service from Einride. Electrify America has unveiled a new charging station concept that includes updates to the actual chargers and the grounds. The chargers got an upgrade screen that is now going to be easier to see in different lighting, and they also have better cable management. Up top, the new stations will receive solar canopies, waiting areas, and other amenities depending on the location. The company is going to showcase these new features with the installations in 22 and 23 in Santa Barbara, San Francisco, San Diego, Beverly Hills, Manhattan, and Brooklyn. Chinese EV automaker BYD announced that they found an unlikely partner to expand and promote energy and charging technology throughout Europe and China. The partner is actually the Shell Oil Company. While BYD is a huge Chinese automaker, much of the news in this strategic agreement with Shell appears to be focused on EV charging in Europe. They also mentioned a home energy system, but no word on what that entails quite yet. In today's community comment, a colleague of mine actually sent me an email with a little bit of show and tell. Martin Woods, a longtime viewer of Quick Charge, finally took delivery of his first EV, a Tesla Model Y. You can see the excitement beaming on his face as he's ready to drive electric in the United Kingdom. This right-hand drive model was made in the Shanghai factory and carted all over the world for delivery just recently. 3 cheers for Martin Woods, who is starting out his EV journey with one of, if not the best, most popular EV on the market today. Congratulations, Martin. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.